How to add devices using Catalog panel. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn on how to add devices into the software. There are many ways to do this. In this video I will cover on adding the devices by using the Catalog panel. First of all, we need to know the real devices that will be used within the installation. For an example, we use this 8-channel KNX master actuator from ETS. The important here are we must know the order number for this devices. So the order number for this actuator are MSA 810. On the ETS software, we now need to open the Catalog panel. Under the Catalog panel, we can scroll for the manufacturer with the name of ETS. Then find the devices using the product number of MSA 810. To add these devices to our project, click on the devices and drag it into our topology panel under TP line. On the other hand, we also can find the devices under Catalog panel by using the search function. Type the order number of MSA 810 under the search part. To add these devices to our project, just do the same thing as before. This is how we adding the devices using Catalog panel. Stay tuned for the next video. Using another method, we will adding the device into the software.